Fast fact, cybercrime is tipped to cost the world $10 trillion in 2025. 10 trillion, that's 13 zeros in total. Hey there, welcome to the channel. If you're someone who loves using ChatGPT to get things done faster, then watch this. Whether you're using it for work or to get some quick advice, it's important to be mindful of what you're sharing. Let's go through a few key things to keep in mind. Be careful with personal information. Avoid sharing personal and sensitive information, such as your full name, address, phone number, financial details, or passwords. If you're wanting advice for work, you could enter a query into ChatGPT and just remove any client or business names and replace them with something generic like person 1 or person 2, for example. Be wary of advice. ChatGPT can provide useful information, but it's not always accurate or reliable. Verify important facts, especially in areas like health, legal advice, or financial matters, with trusted professionals or sources. Always double-check information provided by ChatGPT, particularly if it's time-sensitive or critical. Keep in mind that ChatGPT may sometimes generate incorrect or outdated information. According to OpenAI's privacy and data security policy, ChatGPT does not use your data to learn or improve. However, its underlying model conversations may be logged temporarily to monitor for abuse or misuse and to improve system performance, for example, troubleshooting issues. But OpenAI states that they are not used to train the AI bot. Take a moment to think about what you are comfortable sharing with ChatGPT and what your limit may be. Also, take into consideration business privacy policies as well, as you don't want to be breaching these. And one of the biggest things is to avoid over-reliance. Treat ChatGPT as a supplemental tool, not a primary source of decision-making and information. Use critical thinking and consult multiple sources when making decisions. At the end of the day, ChatGPT is a great tool, but you need to be aware of how much you may be sharing, particularly sensitive information. As a rule of thumb, don't share anything with ChatGPT that you wouldn't want to be reused or reviewed by others. And in scenarios where we really want to utilize this fine piece of modern technology, take the extra time to modify and/or remove sensitive information before you submit something into it. If you've found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips like this. If you want more content like this and practical advice to stay ahead in today's modern tech world, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter. We will send you helpful tips, updates, and insights straight to your inbox. The sign-up link is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Stay secure and take care.